What is globe?
A globe is an exact miniature model of the Earth. It shows the Earth in its actual shape with all continents, occurs, etc. marked at their proper place.
Good. Second question. What are the components of map?
The components of the map are first distance, second direction, and third symbols.
Very good. Question number third. What does a political map shows?
A political map shows the details of some areas such as countries or state boundaries, cities, etc.
Very good. Question number third. Short answer the questions. Okay. What are parallel of latitude and meridian of longitude?
Parallel of latitude. The imaginary line that run to the east-west direction is called parallel of latitude and meridians of longitude. The imaginary circle that perpendicular to the equator is called the meridian of longitude.
Very good. Question number 2. Why do we need symbols, colors on the map?
We need symbols and colors to the map to make it easier to find the different features of the earth. Second, symbol shows the different features of the earth like cities, rivers, food stations and temples. Colors help to find different areas such as countries, oceans and forests.
Question number third. Long answer type questions. First, why is it 5:30 p.m. in India when it is 12 p.m. or noon in London?
Number 1. The London is located at 0 degree longitude. Number 2. In India, 82.5 degree east of longitude is standard meridian and time on this meridian is standard time in India IST. Number 3. In Indian time in India ahead of London, time difference is 4 minutes for every 1 degree of longitude towards east. Hence in India, 82.5 degree into 4 minutes is equal to 330 minutes, i.e. 330 upon 60 is equal to 5 hours 30 minutes.
Okay. What is a map and how do we use it? What are its main components?
A map is a representation or drawing of some area, for example, village, district, states and world. We use map to find places and to another. The main components of the map are first, distance. It shows how far the way is the things from each other. Number 2, direction. It shows the way is east, west, north, south. Number 3, symbols. These are small drawings to represent an actual feature like buildings, rivers, trees, bridges, etc.